So we're gonna be doing our 2 pie crust. For 6 dumplings, we're gonna be kneading this 2 pie crust. So first we're gonna take our flour and pour it in along with our shortening, water, and salt. And then we're going to cut it all up with this. Now that we've made our dough, we put it in the fridge. And now we're going to pare and core our apples. Next, we're gonna roll our dough, but before we do that, we're going to take some of this and we're going to sprinkle it all over this wrapping tape, and we're going to roll the dough with this cold and solid rolling pin, because it makes your life a whole lot easier, so then the dough won't stick to the rolling pin. All right, now that we've done our dumplings, now we're going to very carefully and slowly pour the water into this bowl. Just like that. Now we're going to pop the butter in. I'm just gonna let it splash on you, and then we're gonna let the butter melt. Just gonna move it around just a little bit, then let it melt. And now we're gonna pour in our sugar and cinnamon. Alright, now that we have boiled our sauce, now our sous chef will be pouring the sauce into these 2 containers evenly.
Can I give my taste test opinion on Astrid's dumpling?
No, it's your dumpling.
I know. Mom's like,
Delicious.
1 out of 10.
1,000 out of 1,000.
Very nice.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't seen this video, please leave a like and subscribe, and please check it out, because we're gonna do some more videos on like desserts and stuff. So go check that out, and thank you for watching. Bye.